NYC 311 receives over a million illegal parking complaints a year, including tens of thousands specifically for blocked bike lanes, and the volume grows every year. The typical complaint is answered hours later, after the vehicle is gone. Most are closed with no action taken because there is no evidence left to act on. The human cost? Around 30 cyclists are killed and thousands seriously injured in NYC per year. Every blocked bike lane pushes riders into moving traffic. And the economic cost is about $20 billion in New York City region alone. Meanwhile, the city already owns more than 900 live public traffic cameras pointed at these exact lanes, refreshing every few seconds. An enforcement sensor network with zero marginal hardware cause that today is only used for looking, not acting. Hence, introducing CurbWatch. So as you can see, this is the map, and any user, in this case, the 311 triage coordinators, any officers, or anyone who is responsible or who wants to check the entire camera at once, see if there is something wrong happening and have the audit trail as a public record, use it as a witness, etc., can go into this product. This is hosted in Google Cloud. Simply click on any of the lanes that they want to keep track of. Once you are in a specific street, as you can see, we are in 9th Ave at 57th Street right now. You can see the bike lane and any other lane that you want to track. In this case, today we will be tracking the bike lanes, for example. A user can simply go and make some marks in order for our AI agent to track everything. Once done, you can simply click done and click start watching. What happens is now the agent is actually tracking everything and understanding whether what is happening on the screen in the live cameras. A user can also click and log any specific vehicle, and every 3 seconds, the camera feed will be updated. This will help us to track any car or any truck or any vehicle in order to understand whether there's congestion or not. Once done and you're satisfied with, okay, now we want to stop and we want to get verdict, this entire workflow along with our AI agent, it's analyzed. And now, as you can see, it says no vehicles are observed blocking the monitoring lane zone. So you can monitor any zone. A human being in the loop can actually approve or discard or edit the response of the AI agents. Once satisfied, as we saw that there is nothing going on right now, just now there was one vehicle, for example, as you can see, approved. Once approved, anyone can actually download the evidence as well. And these evidence will be stored in JSON or L format, as you can see, and have all the sessions ID, you know, what happened, what tool was called by the agent, when was, human being in the loop, human action approved, every session ID, etc. This can be used as a public record as well as a record for audit trails, proofs, witnesses, etc., which can be used further. There is something called agent trace in which anyone can see what all tools and traces were taken, like of agents, also what actions were taken by the human being. This can be downloaded as JSON L file as well, as you can see. So we have every single record or what happened. You can in fact ask any question in your native language, because we all know New York City has 800 plus languages. So as you can see, we can also ask the agent in our own native language. And this comes with the beauty that New York City itself has more than 800 languages. So anyone in their native language should be able to communicate and talk with our AI agents, and they give every single answer. You can click on speak reply aloud as well. So agent can also speak with you.
El carril está actualmente despejado no hay vehículos bloqueándolo.
And that's it. That's CurbWatch.